Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing data. Open the workbook and identify the lookup value and the table array immediately. Once done, make sure the lookup column is the leftmost column in that table and remove extra spaces or mismatched formats. Next, click the destination cell and begin the formula with equals Vlookup. Point to the cell holding the key. Then select the table range and convert to $absolute references, so the range stays fixed when you copy the formula. You now specify how Vlookup will return data. Set the column index number to point at the target column inside the selected table. Make sure you understand the fourth argument, use false for exact matches and true only for sorted approximate matches. Most cases need false. Once comfortable, you can replace the static column index with match to find a column dynamically and wrap the whole formula with IFER to return a clean message instead of an error when a lookup fails. You finish by copying the formula down, ensure the table array uses $locks or convert the range to an Excel table so it auto-expands. Once done, decide whether to keep formulas or paste as values for a static report. If you encounter errors, check data types and spaces first. A quick troubleshooting tip: if you see hash and /a, make sure both lookup and table values share the same format. Apply trim to remove spaces or value to convert numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.